Hey there, Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery located in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. Here today to talk to you about how to grow a healthy bush tomato. Now, bush tomatoes there's two types of growing tendencies for plants or tomatoes. They're either a bush or they're going to grow long and extended. And the bush varieties tend to be what we call determinate varieties. That means that they are generally your early varieties, and they like cooler temperature. They will generally mature all at once. Now, the thing that's wonderful about bush tomatoes is that unlike the viney ones, they're going to take up a lot smaller space. They're perfect for using in a container or in a very small garden setting. And again, the other advantage is that they tend to like or appreciate cooler climates. Whereas most other, especially larger tomatoes, like consistent heat. So the main thing that you need to know is that a bush variety is going to requires about 2 to 3 feet of space. And unlike the trailing ones, you don't need to necessarily provide any kind of a trellis for them. So you can mulch around really well and just let them sprawl. And if they're in a container, because they can sprawl over the edge. And that's the basic information on growing bush varieties of tomatoes. I sure hope you found that information useful. Oscar Carmona for Healing Grounds Certified Biodynamic Nursery. Remember, feed the soil, let the plants feed you, and happy gardening.